do a quick Hermes unboxing. So I had some, well, real unboxing, but it's Hermes. So I had some credit from the real that I haven't used, and they expire really quickly. So I saw this and I was like, oh, this will make a great gift. And I wanted to just use the credit and try not to spend any extra money. So I spent just the credit, and all looked all wrapped up. How cute is that? That was nice of them. Will they wrap it up? Why would they? Normally they don't wrap it up, actually. Because, anyway, okay. Here it is. Hermes Bastia coin purse. This is normally like, I want to say like 300, 280 or something from Hermes, maybe 300, 350 from Hermes. It's cheaper in France. I think I got it. Well, I got it for free. So technically I got it for free because it was just credit. But, or not credit, what's it called? Like, yeah, site credit, yeah. But, wow, can't even hold this. But it was less than retail too on the real, and it's excellent condition, no signs of wear is what it said, which looks pretty good. Comes with a box. I'm gonna gift it. It's a little changed. It's the Bastia coin purse. It's like, it's just for change. You're supposed to put all the change on this end, and then when you want to get some change out, you turn it this way and the change drops here, and you can pick out what you need to use, and then like that. You can't hold anything else. I mean, you can hold keys or something else, or card, like other things, but it's not a card holder. It is a change purse. It comes in multiple colors too, and it also comes, I think, I want to say you can get it in a verso kind of thing, or you can get it custom. If you wanted to get it custom in France, you can get a custom one where you design it, pick the colors, pick the thing, and then get a little horseshoe thing and put your initials on it. Anyway, quick unboxing for the day. Yay. Bastia.